Hello everyone, I am very pleased to show you the 3 magic bins of our house. These 3 magic bins have converted our house into a zero waste house. I'll show you how. The first one, the green bin that you see, is a dry waste bin. We collect all the paper, plastic, metal pieces in this bin and send it to a recycling station nearby. And the other 2 bins that you see, the smart bin and the red bin, are the compost bins. We collect all our kitchen waste and put it into this bin. We bring some soil or dry leaves from the society garden and add it into it. And after almost a month, when the bin gets full, we let the garbage convert into the compost and start filling the second bin. And by the time the second bin fills up in almost a month, the first bin's garbage has already got converted into the compost, which we can either use as the facilitator for the second bin, or we can send it to the plants either in our house or in the society garden. I will quickly show you how the first and second bin works to convert garbage into the compost. As you see, this bin was almost full almost a month ago by the kitchen waste that we had added into it. Along with the kitchen waste, we had added some dry leaves and soil in it, which helped in converting the waste into the compost. As you can see, now it looks completely brown and almost black. This included all the material from the kitchen, like eggshell, banana leaves, all the vegetable waste, which cannot be seen completely, which has completely lost its form and is now looking like a soil. And some dry leaves or sticks are currently visible, which are quite hard to get composted in the bin, which is no problem at all, which can be used as a material for my next cycle. So what we simply do after this level of compost is completed, we just stop using this bin anymore for creating a compost. We have already collected lot of kitchen waste in the other bin, which is almost full by now. We pick up some compost, add into it, okay, and fill up as much as possible. Now once this is almost full, we will stop using this. We will not add any kitchen waste in this. And now this has got emptied by using this compost in this. So we will start filling up kitchen waste in this. And this is how the cycle of using these 2 bins goes on, and no kitchen waste from our house goes out into the landfills and pollute the environment. As far as maintenance of these bins is concerned, it is very simple. There is no much there are no much complications. We will try and make more videos how to convert this kitchen waste into the compost going forward. Thank you.